How to enable the Hibernate feature under Windows 10. So if I go to the start button and click on the power button, then I have restart, shutdown and sleep, and Hibernate is not present. Okay, if I right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, I have 4 options, but Hibernate is still not present. Okay, so to enable it, right click on the start button, type in cmd, and right click this command prompt and run as administrator. The administrator word must be there. Now type in powercfg -h and on. So power configuration, hibernate and on. Press enter. Nothing is visibly shown. Okay, now come back to the start button and type in control and click on control panel. Okay, now here let's go here to hardware and sound. Okay, power options, and then choose what the power buttons do. Okay, change settings that are currently unavailable. We have to click on that one because Hibernate is unusable. So change settings. Now check Hibernate and click on save. And now if I go to start button, power, now Hibernate is there. Okay, and if I right click on the start button, shut down, Hibernate is there also. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.